Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl. Queen, 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 yeah. Yo, you smelling like watermelon, mango, and dreams all at the same time. I couldn't even imagine what you taste like. Treat me like an alien, I'm new to the earth, but you're so from the root that it hurts, so let me... I'm going to spray this leave-in. This is by Shea Moisture as well, the same line. Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In. And it has Mafura and Baobab oils. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm going to spray this in my hair. I'm going to use this as my leave-in. Y'all know I'm a Can-2 girl, but I'm going to do a wash and go with this Wetline Xtreme Gel. So I don't want any buildup in my hair, any flakes or anything. So I thought I would use this spray-on leave-in. Let's see, do I need to, nope, already open. Okay, so I'm just going to spray my hair down. And then
part, making sure my part is straight, you guys. Trying to do this without glasses. And also, I want to get my edges to grow too. Never really had a lot of edges or baby hairs. All right, so this pretty much is how my hair is going to be styled. But I need to put my oil, put the gel in my hair, and then I'll put the oil. So I'm going to...
to the K, nah, nah, nah. Kiki.
Boss, CBC every time I want to do. Promise in a time when you gotta get She was minor. See my gypsy girl. Something to myself. She was minor. Keep me money on my place. She looking on my eye order.
Alright, y'all. I banded my hair last night. And this is how it's looking. So, after my wash and go. I think it's 100% dry now. So, can y'all see me good? Okay. I'm looking in my mirror again. Hopefully I can get these ouchless things out of my hair without ripping my hair. Okay, let me take these out, y'all. I just want y'all to see how it looks, and I'll come back. Okay, y'all, so I got all the rubber bands out. So we're gonna see how this turns out. And actually, my hair is not even completely dry. Some of it is still damp. Let me put just a little bit of oil on my hands. Like on my fingertips. And I am getting ready to go to work. I just pulled my earring out my ear. I'll put it back in. Back on. It is work day, or shall I say work night. And it's thundering and lightning, so if you guys hear some rumbling in the background, that's where it is from. We've been having a lot of thunderstorms here in Georgia, in my neck of the woods, because it's been so hot. I think it's coming out nicely, you guys. I think I like it. I think I like it. I'm gonna finish fluffing it out. I don't know if I want to take a pic to it or not. Really can't see. I don't have my glasses with me. And I was gonna dye my hair, but y'all, I got lazy. I was doing too many steps to my hair. That will be probably the first video I upload. So y'all check that out. What I did to my hair before I did this just wash and go. And I was just too tired to put the rinse in my hair once I did everything else. So y'all make sure y'all check that video out. But I think I like it, guys. I think I like it. Okay, I'm gonna finish fluffing it out and I'll come back and show y'all the final results. Okay, you guys, here are my final results. The way that I styled my hair. I don't really have a lot of baby hairs, y'all. I never had. So I attempted to kind of slick them down a little bit, the little bit that I do have. But yeah, this is my final turnout. I'm holding the camera, you guys, so if it's shaking. But yeah, I like it. I had to kind of do it in a rush way because I have to go to work. But yeah, I really do like it. It's still damp in some areas, so I didn't want to pick it out too much. And I didn't want to lose too much of my curl pattern. It is frizzy, which a little bit over here. I don't mind frizz. It seems like I can't get a wash and go or twist out without some type of frizz. But hopefully you guys can see the back a little bit. And it's thundering, y'all, real bad. But yeah, overall, I do like it. All right, you guys, until the next time, make sure you love yourself and stay true to yourself. This is Simply Monique. Peace, y'all.